In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google Drive file URL link that makes a copy automatically. This can be a real time saver when you want to share files while allowing others to create their own copies directly. So let's dive right in and see how this is done seamlessly. First things first, before we can share any Google Drive document link, we have to ensure that the document is indeed something we want to share. Open your Google Drive and locate the file you want to share. A quick tip here is to make sure you have the necessary permissions to share this file or document. In other words, double-check that you're either the owner or have been granted the appropriate sharing rights. Once you have the document open, look up at the address bar in your browser. What you'll need to do here is take a closer look at the URL that appears there because this is the foundation for the automatic copy link we're going to create. It's essential to understand that the URL is specific to accessing your file directly. Now here's a crucial step. In the URL, you're searching for the segment that says Edit. Once you detect that, you'll need to replace the Edit part with the phrase Copy. This alteration in the URL is what enables anyone with this link to generate their own duplicate copy of your document. It might sound complicated, but it's simpler than it seems. By doing this, whenever someone else opens this new link, they'll be prompted immediately to make a copy for themselves. Let's talk about sharing this link. You want to make sure you're distributing it correctly. If you're sending this URL through email or a messaging app, paste it into a message and provide a quick note explaining what the link will do. Clear communication will prevent confusion and ease the process for anyone on the receiving end. They'll understand that they need to click the provided link to get their copy. Here's a pro tip. If your document contains sensitive information or if it's intended for a limited audience, be certain that your permission settings reflect that. You can customize these settings right in Google Drive under the share options of the file you're working with, adjusting as necessary to limit access. As a final touch, it's always good practice to test the link yourself to ensure it's doing exactly what you intended before sending it out widely. Doing so gives you peace of mind that everything is set up correctly and the recipients will have no trouble getting their own copy. With these straightforward steps, you can create a Google Drive link that enables anyone you share it with to make a copy automatically. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.